This is how we cook rice in Pakistan. So today I am going to show you how we are cooking rice here in Pakistan. Pakistanis cook rice in almost the same ways. There might be some changes based on which province they belongs to or which family. Of course, they have their own way or they are doing something that could the rice nice and of course yummy. So today I am going to cook 2 glasses of Sela rice. I am going to use Sela rice. It's actually like a basmati, but basmati is more maybe a bit nicer than this. Sela rice is also ideal to use to make palau or biryani. So let us wash the rice. And here I wash it 3 times because it looks dirty, but it depends on you on how much do you want it to wash. After washing, soak it in the water for 1 hour. After 1 hour in the cooking pot, boil water. Add salt, oil, and some people they use lemon, but it's optional. Now the water is boiling, so let us remove the water on the rice and then put it in the boiling water. Mix it until the rice gets cooked. Boil it for 15 minutes and then check it. Don't cover it to avoid overflowing of the water. Don't overcook it. Once it's a little bit soft, remove the water. Use a drainer to remove the remaining water, but make sure not to dry it too much because we need to cook it more. Let's add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and spread it nicely or equally on the rice. Place the tawa on the fire and then place the cooking pot on it and cover it. Set the fire in a medium fire and check it after 15 minutes. Mix it again, but make sure not to overmix it. It seems like it's not yet cooked, so we have to cover it again and cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it looks like this. Now it's already cooked, so we have to turn off the fire and mix the rice once again, but avoid over mixing it. Just make sure that the rice is not sticking with each other, just like this. Pakistanis actually don't want sticky rice. They want the rice to be like this.